Hi everyone, I'm Peggy Kay, and I have an update for you from YouTube on sharing links. YouTube announced 3 big changes. On desktop, there are no longer links on the channel banner. Links on Shorts will no longer be clickable. And there is a new channel profile links showcase that you can use to link to your own website, social media profiles, online shops, or other sites. This update does not change links on non-shorts videos, such as videos or live streams that are horizontal and longer than a minute. First, I want to talk briefly about links on videos, and then I'll show you how to set up your channel profile links. So what's changing? On Shorts videos, links in the description, comments, or vertical live feed will no longer be clickable. Blame the spammers and scammers for this change. You will be able to point people to your channel profile links. And YouTube has said there will eventually be a new option to point people from your short to other YouTube content. So for example, pointing from a short to a longer video on your channel. Hashtags and @mentions will still be linked. For long form videos, nothing is changing. You can add links to the video description, and as long as you have advanced features enabled for your channel, the links will be clickable. Note that any link you post must comply with YouTube's external link policy, so be sure to review that. You can also add links to videos and playlists on info cards and end screens. And if your channel is in the YouTube Partner Program, you can also use those to link to external websites. But you can now also point people to your more visible channel profile links. Those will be accessible from just below your channel name on both mobile and desktop, as well as your channel's About tab. You can add links to your YouTube channel in YouTube Studio on desktop only. Sign into YouTube Studio, click Customization on the left menu, then click the Basic Info tab. In the Links section, click on the plus Add Link button, then add the link title and URL. You can add up to 14 links. But the link at the top of the list will be most prominently displayed, so make sure that is your most important link. You can change the order of the links by dragging them up and down in the list. Once you have added your links, click Publish at top right. Preview the links by viewing your own channel. They are displayed with the first URL, then a note of additional links. On desktop, clicking that opens the About tab with the full links list. On mobile, tapping that brings up a list of links at the bottom of the screen. And that's it. If you are creating shorts, just remember to point viewers to your channel link list rather than links in the description or comments.